In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Google AdSense. We'll start with how AdSense actually pays. You earn in two main ways: when people view ads, which is called CPM, and when they click ads, which is CPC. Your earnings are influenced by how much traffic you get, where your visitors are from, which niche you're in, how you place ads on the page, and the overall quality of your content. To earn faster, choose a niche with strong advertiser demand. Topics like finance, technology and software, online business and marketing, education and careers, and informational health content typically attract higher rates. Steer clear of thin entertainment sites, piracy or download content, and purely viral news. They're hard to monetize reliably and can risk policy violations. Pick your platform next. A website or blog gives you the most control and usually scales better to consistent $100 per day earnings. YouTube can grow traffic quickly, but ad rates vary more, and optimization is different. If you're going the website route, build on a free option like Blogger or choose WordPress with reliable hosting for long-term growth. Prioritize a mobile-friendly theme, fast loading speeds, and a clean, distraction-free layout. Before applying to AdSense, publish your required pages, a clear privacy policy, an about page, and a contact page. Missing any of these often leads to rejection. Then create content with search intent in mind. Focus on how-to guides, tutorials, comparisons, reviews, and problem-solving articles. Aim for 800 to 1,500 words. Make it original and structure it with clear headings so readers and search engines can follow it easily. When you're ready, apply through Google AdSense, add the verification code to your site, request a review, and wait a few days to 2 weeks. If you're rejected, fix the issues mentioned and reapply. Next, drive free traffic. For websites, prioritize Google SEO, and supplement with platforms like Pinterest, Quora, and relevant Facebook groups. For YouTube, lean into YouTube SEO, publish shorts where it fits, and upload consistently. If $100 a day is your goal, SEO is your most reliable lever. Optimize ad placements by having one ad above the fold, a few within the content, after headings, and near the footer. Auto ads are fine for beginners. Manual placement gives advanced users more control. Never click your own ads. Understand RPM. If your RPM is $10, you need roughly 10,000 daily page views to make $100. Raise RPM by targeting buyer intent keywords, attracting tier 1 country traffic, speeding up pages, improving content quality, and reducing bounce rate. Finally, scale by publishing 50 to 150 quality articles, aiming for low competition keywords, updating older posts, and interlinking related content. And don't rely on AdSense alone. Layer in affiliate marketing, digital products, or email marketing to multiply your revenue.